I am farming about 19 Depin projects. I'm going to list them in the description below. You are watching this video because you want to dive real fast into the world of Depin projects, and probably you do not know how to go about it. Welcome to my channel. This is Webnora, and here we teach you everything crypto and how you can position yourself in the world of cryptocurrencies. I hope you will be able to also position yourself properly when it comes to the paying projects right now. It's starting to pick up, it's starting to make the waves. So I'm just going to show you quickly how you can farm the pin. Like for myself here, I have about 3 computers here that I use to farm the pin projects, but it can be power consuming and it can be expensive when it comes to running power and data. So I have a solution for you. There's a way you can farm the pin projects easily without much cost to you and without much stress, and that is by using a VPS. The VPS basically is an infrastructure, a system you buy online. You buy it online, it is deployed there online on the internet, and then you get to administer or manage it from your location. So in other words, it's more like a computer, a physical computer in front of you, but this time it's not right in front of you. So it's somewhere on the internet, somewhere in a different country, but you have a remote access to it. So that computer is always powered on and it always has internet connectivity on it. So that way you can take up the load of farming infrastructure away from you and just put it on the server people. So this is exactly what we are going to be treating today. My name is Webnora. If this is your first time on my channel, I will say please do hit the subscription button below and also hit the notification bell so that you will be kept notified each time I drop a new content. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you are going to be able to buy a server. It depends on how much you have and the infrastructure. So let's dive into my screen right now and see what we have. So I use PQ server. PQ hosting, that's perfect quality hosting. If you check the description below, you see my referral link where you can easily buy a hosting package. So there are different packages here, different costs, different prices. You can buy with as low as $5. You can scale up to $200 depending on what you can actually afford. Okay, but I will advise you go for something in between $10 per month. $10 per month, that will really serve you. That will serve you. That's about 4 gig of RAM. So now, right on my screen now, we have Aluminium NL, that's Netherlands. You have 1 gig RAM, ECC, 25 gigabyte disk, and then blah 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 blah, 10 gigabyte looking glass. And then for this, it says 5.77. I will not advise you to go for this because it will be very, very slow. You know what a slow computer, how a slow computer behaves. This other one is a core V-core times 2 gig RAM, no, 4 gig RAM here. So I will advise, if you want to go for anything at all, go for from 4 gig RAM. Okay, I think I bought another 4 gig RAM today. I have about 2 GPSs now. Don't be discouraged. You can start with 1. You can have up to 5. You can have up to 5 if you have the money to do it. You can have up to 5 in different locations. So that way you can easily farm and farm and farm greatly. But if you have money for just 1, I advise you just go for 1 and then you do just fine. All right, so I'm going to take you through this now. So we are going to try to purchase this one, Radium. Don't forget, you have a link to this page in the description below, so you can easily click. So say order a server. I'm already signed up on this platform, so I will just go ahead and use my Gmail to sign in. But if you have the money, actually, let me tell you a trick. What you can actually do. You can buy 4 gig RAM. If you have the money, you can buy 4 gig RAM, 3 different countries. Buy 4 gig RAM for Netherlands, buy for USA, buy for UK. You understand? Then you log in the same Depin accounts on each of them, or different Depin accounts, depending on how much you are willing to spend on this. But if you don't have the money, like I said, don't be discouraged. Just do 1 VPS and then you'll be good to go. So we are clicking on the 4 gig RAM and then say we order. 4 gig RAM is about 9.77 euro. Eventually, it will come out about $10 or 10 USDT or whatever it is. So the good thing is you can actually pay using cryptocurrency. You can pay using your credit card. You can pay. There are a variety of payment options there. Now there are different operating systems that you can use on this VPS. But the one I would advise you to go for is Windows. Just go for Windows. If you use CentOS, AMA, Linux, all these ones are operating systems, but they will not give you the access, the easy access that you are used to, more like when you use Windows. When you use Windows, it will present itself to you like your normal computer in the house. That's the way to present it. But if you use these other OSs, definitely you can still carry these things out, but you may need to know a little bit about programming interfaces and then those commands. So just select Windows Server. Windows Server to drop down, select Windows 11, which we are all very used to, Windows 10, Windows 11. So after that, look at the options here. I said without control panel, no, we don't need the control panel for it. We just need a computer. Just give us a computer, okay? And then number of services, just one is fine. No need for extra IP addresses. So with this now, just enter a domain name. You can just enter your name. Enter webnora. It can tell me it's taken.com. Okay. Then click on pay. You have auto renewal here. You can disable this if you don't want it to charge your card automatically. Here are the payment options you have. You can pay using cryptocurrency. You can pay all world Visa card, MasterCard. That means if you take your normal Visa card, MasterCard. If you're in Nigeria, definitely your cards will not work. So let's use virtual cards. It will be easier for you to use cryptocurrency. So let's just select cryptocurrency. And then individual, yes, select. You have to create a user account, maybe like a payment user account. Just create one and then it's quite straightforward. Place an order. Now it's now going to present us with the wallet address which we are going to send the money to. I'll just choose a USDT, and then what network? I'll choose a BSC BP20 here, and then it proceed to the payment. Then it presents us the wallet address. Copy this wallet address, go to your favorite exchange, send 10.57 USDT to this wallet address, and then once you are done, all you just need to do is confirm payment here. Automatically, it will send the payment, and then your account will be created. The next thing will be to check your inbox for the confirmation email and then account information. Virtual machine has been created. So let's check this out first. This is the most interesting part. It's virtually like your normal Windows, your normal computer, but this time it's offshore. It's somewhere else in the world. And this time I think we bought from Netherlands. All the Depin projects, about 19 of them, I'm going to list them in the description below. To connect to your remote server, to connect to your VPS, just go to the search button, search menu on the search field on at the foot of your window, and then type remote desktop connection. That's it, remote desktop connection. So once you click on it, it opens this for you. This is what you're going to have. So as you have this, what you need to do is enter the IP address that was sent to you via your email, and then enter the username. This will be this way. So just click on show options, click on enter the username, and then the password that was sent to you via email address will also be needed. Once you click on connect for the first time, it will ask you for the password, but right now I already connected and I told the system to remember my password, so it's not going to ask me for the password. So right now I am now connected to the remote server. All right, this right here is my VPS. This right here, so this is a computer inside your computer. This computer is right now in Netherlands, and then the first thing you need to do, because it's a brand new computer, once you see it, is there's nothing on the system, so it's left for you to configure it. All you need to do is go to Microsoft Edge, open it, then use it to now download Google Chrome. Use download Google Chrome. Then you check the description below. You will see a list of over 19 Depin projects that I have listed there with the referral links. You're now okay. Once you use this one now. Use the Microsoft Edge to download Google Chrome. So once you are done, Google Chrome will open, and then you now go to the description below. You copy all the links. All these links are in the description below. Sign up on each of the websites, and make sure also that you download all the browser extensions. Keep them active. Click on the extension. There are some of them that needs you to check in daily. Click on the extension and then you check in, and then that's all. This system stays on 24/7. It has power on it, it has internet on it, so you do not have anything to worry about. So guys, this is virtually how you get to access your web server. As you can see right now, I'm accessing a remote desktop right from my location. So I believe from this point onwards, you shouldn't have any issues, because this is more like the normal computer that you are used to. You have the start menu, you have every other button is there. All you just need to do is launch the web browser and then start installing your Depin projects, your plugins, and your browser extensions, just the same way you would do on your normal computer. In case you have any questions or something you do not understand, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to every question you may be having. I'll see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.